Clients that were linked to a TPA prior to May 23, 2025 will also be linked to the TPA in Employer eServices on May 27, 2025. Once you have registered as a third-party administrator on Employer eServices, you can log into your online eServices account and add or remove clients. On the eServices homepage, click the Accountant Center link in the upper right-hand corner. Then view the Client Information panel. If you want to establish a connection with a business that is already registered with Tennessee for unemployment insurance, click the Manage Clients link. Note, POAs are no longer needed. You will utilize the following steps to manage your clients. This table lists your current clients. To modify or remove your access to a client, click on the employer's name and select the appropriate checkbox. To modify your access to a client, click on the employer's name and then click the appropriate checkbox to add or remove access. The current access is set for both tax and benefits. Tax access is for filing wage reports and making payments. Benefits access is for UI claims-related functions, such as filing employer UI benefit claims and responding to fact-finding questionnaires. We are going to remove benefits access. When you are done, click the OK button. To remove your access to a client, click on the employer's name and then click the Remove Client checkbox. Then click the OK button. Once you are done making your changes, click the Next button. Here, we will add a client by clicking the Add Client link. Select whether your new client is a Tennessee employer or a professional employer organization. Then click the Search Client button. You can search by name or by ID. The ID can be an employer account number or a federal employer ID. We are going to search by name. View the results on the right-hand side. If this is the employer that you want to select, click OK. View the client information in the Client Information panel. Then select the access type. We will select Benefits Access and Tax Access. Then verify the client information with the Business ID type by clicking the drop-down menu and selecting either Federal Employer ID or Social Security number. Then enter the employer account number. Once you have entered the information, click the Add button. Once you have finished adding clients, click the Next button. Review the summary information. If any changes need to be made, click the Previous button on the bottom of the page. Otherwise, click the Submit button. A confirmation page displays. Once you have read the information on this page, click OK. To see the changes you have made to your client list, you need to log out and log back in to see the changes. B-Rise Spud Stand now appears in the list, and Strickland Propane no longer appears in the list. If If you want to establish a connection with a business that has not yet registered, click the Accountant Center link again in the upper right-hand corner and view the Client Information panel. From here, you would click the Register Client UI Tax Account link, where you would follow the same steps that a new business registering with the state of Tennessee for unemployment insurance would take.